Have you ever wondered how websites keep your information safe from malicious attacks, especially when they display content that comes from other users? It is a complex challenge to ensure that user-provided data does not turn into a security risk when shown on your screen. Output encoding is a fundamental web security technique that converts potentially malicious data into a safe format before it is displayed in a web browser. Its primary purpose is to prevent the browser from interpreting user-supplied data as executable code, which could otherwise lead to various types of code injection vulnerabilities. The core reason output encoding is critical lies in its ability to mitigate cross-site scripting, often abbreviated as XSS attacks. An XSS attack occurs when an attacker injects client-side script, typically JavaScript, into web pages viewed by other users. Without proper encoding, a browser might execute this injected script, allowing the attacker to steal session cookies, deface websites, or redirect users to malicious sites. Output encoding transforms characters like less than signs and greater than signs into their harmless encoded entities, ensuring they are rendered as visible text rather than interpreted as HTML tags or script directives by the browser. To effectively implement output encoding, developers typically use context-specific encoding functions provided by their chosen programming language or web framework. For instance, if you are outputting data into an HTML body, you would use an HTML entity encoding function. If the data is going into an HTML attribute, a different encoding method is required, and similarly for JavaScript contexts, URL parameters or CSS. Always apply encoding immediately before the data is rendered to the user, ensuring the freshest and most accurate protection. It is important to understand that output encoding is distinct from input validation. While input validation checks data for validity and malicious patterns, when it enters the system, output encoding focuses on neutralizing threats just before data leaves the system to be displayed. This multi-layered approach provides a robust defense against injection vulnerabilities. You might also hear the term escaping used interchangeably, and while often similar, encoding typically refers to a broader transformation for various output contexts, whereas escaping is often specific to one context, like escaping special characters within a string. By consistently applying output encoding, you are building a crucial defense line against code injection, creating a safer browsing experience for users, and significantly reducing the attack surface of your web applications. This practice transforms potentially dangerous data into benign text, preventing it from executing unintended actions and safeguarding the integrity and confidentiality of your system.
If this helps you fix faster, like, subscribe, and keep debugging with us.